Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for being here. Dignitaries, members of the media, well-wishers, and the entire CCL fraternity, welcome. My name is Anuj Karwara. It's an honor to be here on this stage. It's time now for the team captain of Karnataka Bulldozers, Mr. Kicha Sudeep, and the vice captain, Mr. Pradeep. May I please invite them on stage?
Good afternoon. First of all, I think the moment I saw this AV, since Mr. Ashok Kini sir and everybody spoke very little, I think somebody needs to speak a little more about the T10 that's going to be happening here. The AV, the first time you played, I think it was a recollection of certain excitements which we all have forgotten, though we are the people who started it. Somewhere down the lane, I guess 2 years gap as well, the fact that somewhere things got lost. But I guess when we got back this time in a small meeting, I guess this gap was required. This gap was definitely required because I guess it was getting monotonous. Cricket was getting monotonous. Emotions were getting monotonous. So we all started again, and of course that meeting was a very required one. Thanks Vishnu for organizing one, and everybody, I think all the owners who all were present that day and the team captains got together. And though it's going to be 6 teams participating right now, I think that particular meeting, of course in the presence of Mr. Sohail Bhai, who led us from the front, we saw one team sitting together, one team sitting together, wanting something to happen and CCL not to die. T10 is definitely going to be something very new, very fast. And it is a game we all need to understand. It is not that T20 divided into 2 halves and it is T10, no. We all have been playing a little bit of T10 at Bangalore right now, and I'm trying to still understand the game because it is totally different. And with the new format of eligibility A and B category, it is getting still tough. It's very exciting, and I'm very sure the crowd, especially when it's going to be coming into the stadium, what is it that they're going to get new? From the last season till the last season, I guess, we used to play in different cities, Saturday and Sundays. Teams used to be in different cities. It is so exciting to even walk into a lobby as an actor to see so many actors, all of them in one hotel, one premises, one intention. So imagine the viewer, when the spectator, when he comes to the ground, and every team, their local heroes, their personal favorites, everybody are going to be playing in the same arena on the same day. And what can you get more for one ticket? Just one ticket, you come in, once you switch on the channel and you have all the teams playing, and I think it's such a beautiful day. I'm looking for it as an actor myself. I think I want to see everybody in one day, one stadium play the same cricket, what we all love, and it's going to be awesome. And of course, Bengal will perform beautifully well this year. Thank you so much.
Thank you.